Alright, so after last night, I've gotten extremely motivated to get everything going. So, once again, next day, and with my helper, hey, come here. Shadowface, my trusty helper Shadowface, is going to help me with my car today. Me and my daughter are going to jump in my car, and we are going to make it better. Hey! She's also very dirty because she's playing in the dirt. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Alright, let's get started with this, guys. Plan is to go through this wiring here. This is something that I never messed with. It was something that was done to the car beforehand. Daddy. So I'm going to go through here and see what's needed and what's not needed, and cut what's not needed. Like, obviously, this is the only thing freaking left. It's a whole connector and it has one wire. Didn't go to anything. I'm going to cut it off. So, you know, so simple as that. I'm going to get everything prepared. What are you trying to say?
Hey, Daddy.
What?
Do you know your car is a mess? Can you?
Okay, so like I said, I'm going to get to work on this wiring here. I'm going to tidy up my engine harness. So this right here is a jumper. This right here is a jumper harness to my wiring harness, to my engine, to my ECU, and my coil harness is attached to it as well. So I'm actually going to tape this garbage up because I don't want it anymore to look like this. And while I'm at it, I'm going to find an area. I'm going to find an area somewhere in here so I can build a bracket or something to hold my ECU. Because, as you guys know beforehand, my ECU is literally under the carpet, and it's just kind of annoying trying to tell everybody, hey, watch your feet, because I got an expensive freaking computer underneath the carpet. So, yeah. I'll probably put the ECU up here or something. Try to figure out how to get the wiring to be ran up there. I'm pretty sure my wiring is long enough. And like I was saying before, right there where that rag is... Hold on. You just hold on a second. Hold on. Right there where that rag is, I'm going to make the hole a little bit bigger. So that way I can actually fit my harness and stuff through it. Yep. My goal is to be able to get these through it without having an issue. Listen. Hey. You gotta wait till I'm done.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay, thank you. So the goal is to get this through the wall. Make the hole big enough to where this will fit. This is not what's going to fit through the wall because I disconnect it from here and I pull it through the wall that way. But I do want to run a lot of other things through the firewall. My wideband and stuff like that. My wideband connector and stuff like that I want to run to the same area because it was kind of a mess up there behind the strut tower because I was running it through different holes in the firewall all over the place. So I'm going to make the holes a little bit bigger here so I can run everything through here at the same time. Show me your hand. You literally look like Zamasu who got super angry and transformed into Demon Zamasu with your giant weird hand. Yes. So one of the things that I was planning on doing is using a trailer harness connector because it's literally the same thing. It's a connector, does its job. You know, but it goes through quite a bit of abuse being on a trailer because it's always has to be outside in the environment. So I'm going to be using this to transfer 12 volt. It's going to transfer all the 12 volt and a coolant temp sensor and stuff like that. Things that don't run through my harness. So we got this area real tidied up now. I deleted a whole bunch of stuff, so there's a lot of stuff in here. I'm keeping this. This is going back in there. I don't care how much it weighs. I like my heat. But yeah, there's a whole bunch in there that I was able to take out, so that was really, really good. Whole relay. Now, I'm pretty sure this other relay in here, there's one right in here. It's either for the stock ECU or it's for cruise control. It doesn't really matter. I don't feel like going through it anymore. I got it all tidied up now. And if I ever get to where I'm pulling this whole harness out, I'll go through it all and get rid of it and stuff. But otherwise, that looks freaking great. And then my ECU harness, I might add some tape to this, but as you guys saw earlier, is pretty crazy. There's a couple bullet connectors here. I've got a 2-pin trailer connector that I'm going to put these on, because these actually connect to my harness up there. Here's the one trailer connector on this part, and obviously I'm going to get a 6-pin connector for this so I can make a quick release or quick attach for my coil harness. And then here is my chassis harness. There's my 12-volt that powers this whole thing, and then there's more 12-volt that powers my engine harness. So this is pretty much looking good. I might end up pulling this out real quick just to look behind there, see if there's anything I can take out, because there's a couple things here and there that it really doesn't matter. So yeah, there's some things over the place, you know. Otherwise, it's looking pretty good. Gonna get some sound deadening removed back there. I'm not gonna worry about the stuff here because it's gonna get pretty noisy, and I kind of want to keep my my sanity. So yeah. The sound deadening I'm gonna be removing back there, and then I'm gonna have to pull the carpet up and stuff, because my buddy's shop that I was at yesterday, I talked to them about putting my cage in, and they seemed pretty interested in doing it, which I'm very, very grateful. It'll be awesome. His race car has the cage. They put the cage in that race car that you guys saw in the last video, and then yeah. I'm going to get the sound deadening pulled up whenever my cage gets here. I'm not sure when it's going to get here. I'm going to have to talk to Enjuku or something, and then I'll figure out where I'm going to have the plates. I guess they'll figure it out, and then I guess I don't really know how the cage goes in through here, but I'm assuming that the cage will probably end up being bolted to this crash bar, which is fine. That was kind of the plan to begin with, so yeah. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys do like this time-lapse video is basically what it is. Come on, contrast me. So, yeah, that's basically what that was, as a time-lapse video. But, you know, got to keep you guys updated with everything, and I just feel like I can't really do anything without recording, so I just got to have the camera out all the time. So everything I do, I film for you guys, regardless of whether or not it is something that I have to talk about, or if it's something that I'm just doing to do. But, so, yeah. Next thing, I'm going to be going through the dash right there and getting rid of some stuff inside that, and then getting to where I can pop up the airbag port, or the airbag hole, so I can actually, you know, maybe put my ECU in it. But, yep, that's it for this video. Like, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, freaking lighting, and, yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Later.